Hi, this is Richard Jones, the Welsh Lock Picker, and I'm finally in the club. I've got my first sets of handcuffs. So, first of all, thanks to Dave Coxey, for recommending these, and to Nick's Picks for all your guidance as well. So, these are just ones I picked up off eBay. They are double locking. So, I'm going to just lock that in. I'll put the key there, not too far because I'm home by myself. I've already done the double lock on this one, and we'll see how we get on. So I'm completely new to this, so you'll have to bear with me. So this pick I've got was a custom one I had made and sent to me by Dots Locks, so it's definitely getting put into some use. I'm just trying to release the double lock on this first. They're going in. There you go, that's the first one. And then let's see how we get on with the second one. So again, get the double lock. So it amazes me when I watch people like C-Stu do, Nick's Picks, Coxey, just throw these off where I'm just fumbling. Put that there so it's not making too much noise. Yeah, man. Double lock still on this one. It's typical when you're watching TV and picking, they come off so easy. There we go. So apologies for the metal noise, but I just wanted to share and say, don't think it qualifies to be a shackleman, but I'm very proud that I've branched out into another sort of lock picking. So thank you ever so much for watching. Diolch yn fawr.